ebi Ganzihanga Right Honorable Rubina Nabanja yabigambira ha mukoro gwo kujaguza ekiro cy'abashomesa gwaba hacaye cy'ishomero lya Birembo War Memorial Primary School mu district ya Kakomero. Bigambo bye Right Honorable Rubina Nabanja yahamye ku gavumenti iri kwetegereza itafari ery'abashomesa bari kutahantunguka yihanga.
Abarungi abashomesa nyakyaitu omulimo gwaitu gumanyirwe kuteekateekaniza abantu b'eihanga. Ekyo ninkenda abantu abali hano mukiterere engalo abakuba abasomesa omulimo ogwo nibagukora.
Ati nuko kuhamiza abashomesa uku gavumenti iri kubateekateekaho okubonjera omushahara bona ngukonka ikatwa mu kutandikira abashomesa ba sayansi ngunabwanyuma n'abashomesa bandi neija kubonjera omushahara.
We agreed in cabinet and government and parliament that we enhance teachers' salaries, including other government officials, in a phased manner. The year 2023-24, we enhanced science teachers. 24-25, this one that is current, we enhanced police and army. Now, ni mchichumbiro nkuchumba for you members. We shall enhance your salaries, I promise.
Muringo ngugume Right Honorable Rubina Nabanja yayananyiriza abashomesa bono mwihanga ukwegendereza emitwarize iri kubashwaza ukukira minonga umbyange barikoramu hoteliho no kwegendesereza uko shayosha amashomero kandi obo gavumenti iri kubashashura mbwire. Ebyo bikiri aho Asimwe Akweheire Fred chairperson w'ekitongore cy'abashomesa ekya Uganda National Teachers Union mu district ya Kakomero yayanangiriza gavumenti okwongera sente ombyo bwegese nabwanyimihanga bone kutunguka.
Increase the investment in education and teachers who remain central to the achievement of quality education. Teachers are also reminded that as 21st century educators, you are not solid educators, but also lifelong students who keep on learning and unlearning for the good of our learners and education system.